Yo, welcome back, traders. So you can see this particular two setup here. This is the first one, which is our 1:32, and then this is the second one, which is our 1:76. So imagine you risking 1% of your account and then making 76% return. Even though I missed this particular trade, but I'm still inside this particular trade here. Then during my last video, I ended up giving a signal that price is coming all the way back to this particular order block, but price not return back to this order block. I used 5 minutes time frame for this particular order block. You can watch the video. It was my last video. I gave out the signal on good forecast that this is where price is coming all the way back to. So the reason why I said price going to come back to this particular order block and then price not do that, I'm just like telling you right now. So next time if you see something like this, you won't make the mistake and then you will miss this particular opportunity, which is our 1:76. So I'm going to like to be showing you right here. So when I did the video, my last video, price was around this particular place. It was during the weekend. Price is here to open on Monday, so this candle is here to form. So price end up breaking only this particular high you are seeing here. So price end up breaking only this high. So immediately price end up breaking this high on Friday. So I was expecting price to come all the way down to take this particular low as what a liquidity. This low here, and then probably tap into this particular order block that I gave in my video. This is the signal I gave that price going to tap into this particular order block. So if you check like a 5 minutes time frame, let me just show you the order block. So right here on 5 minutes time frame, you can see the order block. I see the order block here. So this is the order block I gave on 5 minutes time frame that price going to come back to before going what's on a bullish direction. But price not do that. I'm going to like to tell you the reason why right now. So let's go back to 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame, price end up breaking this particular high. Monday is yet to open. I was expecting price to come all the way down to tap into this particular low before going on a bullish direction. But before price come all the way down, price kept on going on a bullish direction and then end up breaking this particular high here. Can you see this high? Price end up breaking this particular high. So price has end up breaking too high. So there's no any point of price going below this particular low because this particular order block you're seeing it becomes what a real order block. If you have been watching my video, you understand what I'm saying. Every single time you see that price end up breaking too high, so this is the first high and then this is the second high. So the order block responsible for it is what a real order block. So this is the real order block here. So this is the real order block. But before price end up breaking this particular high, I did the video. That is the reason why we all made this particular trade here. So I did the video expecting price to come all the way down to take out this particular low as a liquidity and then start being what's on a bullish direction. Meanwhile, price has already broken too high. So this is the first high and then this is the second high. So price not going to like to go below this particular order block here. Price is going to respect the order block. So let me just show you what price end up doing. So let me delete this entry and then do the analysis together with you. So let me delete this and also delete this. So right here, price end up breaking too high. This is the first high and then this is the second high. So making this particular order block here what a real order block. I'm not going to delete this entry because I'm still inside this trade. So let me just move it a little bit here. Okay. So this is what a real order block. Then you have to go down to the time frame, just like to increase our risk reward ratio. If you also like to use this particular time frame to enter into this trade, let's check the risk reward ratio. If you set what your entry here and then your stop loss below this particular low and also your take profit the same place I said this one, at the end of the day you're going to like to make 1:6. I'm a type of trader that the lowest ratio I can make in the market is just like 1:10. If price is not giving like 1:10, I'm not entering into the trade. So right now for us to increase what our risk reward ratio, we have to go down to lower time frame to find exactly that price is going to inside this particular order block. So I'm going to like to be walking you through that. So you're on 3-hour time frame right here. So you have to go down to the next lower time frame, just like to reduce what our order block. So let me delete this. This one should cease. So don't forget this. So let's go down to the next lower time frame, which is 2-hour time frame. So on 2-hour time frame right here, you have to analyze the market all over again. So I have to delete this particular break. Okay, let's just analyze the market together. Price end up breaking this particular high. Can you see the only high that price end up breaking? And then the order block that broke the high is this particular order block here. Can you see the order block? This particular order block that look like doji candle. Can you see the order block here? So this is the order block that is responsible for this particular break, and then it end up breaking only one high. It's not the one responsible for this particular break anymore. Can you see? The order block responsible for this particular break is this particular order block here. So it's not this particular order block that's responsible for this two break. So price end up breaking only one high. That means price want to respect this particular order block. So price going to come all the way below it. So let me delete this. So price is going to come all the way below the order block. So this way your entry is going to be. So if you also like to check what's your entry and then your stop loss and also your take profit, let's just check the risk to reward ratio. If I set what's my entry here, then set my stop loss below it. Okay, and then set what my take profit the same place I said this. Let's check the risk to reward ratio. Okay, say this one is 30. We can also go down to lower time frame to increase our risk to reward ratio. So if this 1:13 is not okay for you, you can go down to lower time frame. We are still on higher time frame, which is the 2-hour time frame. So you can go down up to like 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, and then sometimes on 1 minute time frame. So right now let's just go down to the next lower time frame, just like to increase what our risk to reward ratio. So this 2-hour time frame, let's go down to like a 1-hour time frame. So a 1-hour time frame right here, you have to analyze the markets again. So if you check the chart, it's still the same movement. Price end up breaking this particular high. So the order block is this particular order block here. So price not going to respect it because it ended up breaking one high. So price is going to come all the way below this particular low, of which that is what we did on 2-hour time frame. So it still remains the same thing. So you're not going to like to change it. Let's go to the next lower time frame, which is 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes time frame right here, inside this particular order block, you have to study it. It's still the same order block. Can you see? We do not have any 2 order block inside here, but if you have 2 order block inside this particular order block, you have to analyze the market to know the exact order block that price going to out of the 2. So right here on 30 minutes time frame, it's still the same order block. Let's check our 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame right here, we have a lot of order block inside this particular order block, and then not a lot, just like a liquidity. And then we have to identify the one that price going to respect and also the one that price not going to respect. So right here, you have to analyze the market all over again. So if you check this particular high, price end up breaking this particular high here. So you have to find out the low that end up breaking this particular high, the order block that end up breaking this high. So let's just zoom out. So let's zoom out. Okay. I just want to know the exact moment that end up breaking this particular high here. Let's zoom out. Let me delete this. Let me use horizontal line. Okay, can you see right here, this particular high is not this particular candle that end up breaking it. It's this particular moment right here that end up breaking this particular high. Can you see? It's not this candle that end up breaking this high. It's this particular bearish candle, which was once a bullish candle, that end up breaking this particular high. So let me check the order block. Price not going to respect this particular order block. So the other block that is responsible for this particular break is this particular order block here. Can you see the order block? So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price going to come all the way below it and then respect the next order block, because this is the moment that end up breaking this particular high. It's not this particular candle. I'll show you guys. Let me just zoom out again. Let me show you. So can you see this particular high? It's not this candle that broke it. It's this particular candle. So price not going to respect this particular order block you're seeing here. This other block, price going to respect the other block below it, and then the other block below it is this particular candle here. Can you see it? This particular candle, this is the other block that is below it, and then just because we know that price is going to go below this particular order block, so we are not going to make use of all the full order block, and then we are just going to make use of this particular liquidity here, this particular low you are seeing here. So you're going to reduce what's your order block to this particular level. So price is going to like to tap out this one as what a liquidity, and then tap into this particular order block and start with what's on a bullish direction. So let's just go down to like 5 minutes time frame. So you go down to 5 minutes time frame, you're going to see the real order block, and also you go down to like 3 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame, we see the real and perfect order block here. So on 5 minutes time frame right here, you can see this particular week. So this is the order block here, is saying that price going to respect, and the price going to take out this particular low as what a liquidity. So if you share this particular place, also we have 1 week here. Can you see this particular week? So price is going to tap this week out also as a liquidity. So you're going to set what your entry below it. So let me delete this. So right now we can check what our risk reward ratio is going to be very huge. You can also go down to like a 3 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame. It all depends. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to like to stop in on 5 minutes time frame. So let's just check what our risk reward ratio. Let's see. Okay. So if you have to like to set what's your entry here, set what's your entry here, and then set your stop loss below it. And also for us to set what our take profits, you have to go back to like 3 hour time frame. So let's go back to 3-hour time frame. So on 3-hour time frame right here, okay, on 3-hour time frame right here, you're going to set what our take profit, the same place I sell this take profit, because I'm expecting price to go above this particular high, even though this is where my take profit is supposed to be. But I just like to take profit on time, but I'm expecting price to go above this particular high here. This particular high, I'm expecting price to go above this particular high here, but I just want to like to set what my take profit here. That's the reason why I set this particular trade. That's going to give me like 1:22 take profit there. So this one also, I'm going to like to set it there. At the end of the day, you should also like to share the risk reward ratio. Can you see? So you can share the risk reward ratio. Can you see right here? Risk reward ratio 78. That means from 1:78. That means if you're risking 1% of your account, you're going to make 78% in return. 78% in return. This trade right here, you can see if I risk 1% of my account, I'm going to make what? 32% in return. Even though I'm not risking 1%, I'm risking more than that. But if I risk 1%, I'm going to what? Make 32% of my account in just one single move. So right here, I made this particular trade actually. The reason just because I was expecting price to come all the way back to this particular order block. So I did the analysis on weekend, which is also on Friday or Saturday. So I was expecting price to come below this particular low. Meanwhile, price has ended up breaking 2 high. This is the first thing, and then this is the second high. So price not going to come back to this particular order block again. Price going to respect this particular order block. This is one of the reasons why I always advise people to learn. So you won't be dependent on other people's signal. So if price has to come all the way down right now to this particular order block, price should respect this particular order block again. Even though some people are still set to what a buy limit here just because I give the signal, that's just waiting for price to return back to this particular order block. Price not going to return back to this particular order block again. And then if price out to return back to it, price not going to respect it, price going to break it. So this is one of the reasons why I always advise people to learn. You have to be the boss of yourself. You have to understand the market structure by yourself. You don't have to depend on other people's signal. I was telling my students about one particular trade. I did the video on UJ. Let me just show you guys. USD So right here, if you check my YouTube page, you can watch the video. I said our price going to break this particular low here. This particular low. Can you see it? Just because I understand the market structure very well, I understand our price going to break this particular low, and then price end up doing that. Before price end up breaking it, price do as if it's going what on a bullish direction. So just like to deceive trader that I'm no more going what on a bearish direction again, then I'm going what on a bullish direction. And then if you share this particular area here, think my the other video when I explained this particular moment, this is what a demand zone. So many people is going to like to be using this particular demand zone just like to buy the trade, and then price is going to like to deceive them. So once price end up deceiving them, price end up taking them out. So you can see a lot of liquidity resting below this particular area now. A lot of people end up set towards a buy limit here. So all of them are going to lose what their fund there, just because they don't really understand the reason why price is moving. So they are just making use of every single demand zone or supply zone. No, you don't have to do that. You have to know the reason why price is going to respect another block, and then you have to know the reason why price won't respect another block. I was training my students yesterday. I think your 4-hour time frame, then using this currency pair. So on 4-hour time frame, I was telling that price is going to like to go below this particular low. Even though right here, you can see this was a demand zone, and then price end up giving what a liquidity. Price is going to like to take out this particular low as what a liquidity, and then tap into this other block and start giving what's in a bullish direction. No, price not going to do that. Price is here to like to achieve its purpose of coming all the way down. I show you guys all this one from multi-timeframe. You can check the video on them. I think the title is like simple trading strategy, so you can just watch the video. So this is one of the reasons why I always advise people to learn and then understand the market structure very well. So you can join my mentorship program just for you to get all these insights. I'm going to like to train you on every single thing you need to know about all my setup outside to be cashing all this particular moment. It's very easy, guys, but just have to have the full understanding about it. Once you have the full understanding about all this setup, you know how to like to be cashing all this particular moment. It's not really necessary for you to like to be seeing entry every single day, and it's not really necessary for you to like to be trading multiple pair. You can just stick to one particular currency pair. If you end up seeing your setup playing out, you can end up making 1:50. You can end up making 1:20, 1:30, 1:100. The last this particular chart I showed you before coming back to gold, that chart was 1:50 something. I think 52 or 55 somehow. So you can be end up making all this ratio. Just imagine you risking just 1% of your account and then you making all this big ratio. So you can join my mentorship to learn all these things and then to be the boss of yourself. You don't need to rely on other people trading signal. You just need to understand the market structure, the reason why price is moving, the algorithm that control the market. So once you're able to understand that, then you are good to go. So you can join my mentorship program right now for you to get all this insight, how to identify a real order block, how to go down to lower time frame, because what I'm just doing right here, there are more to it. There are more to it. So I'm going to drop the link in the description. So make sure you share the link in the description out right now and then join my mentorship for you to get all this insight. I'm going to be training you personally. It's not a group training. I'm going to be training you personally so you can understand my trading strategy very well. So that's just for that. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. I really appreciate that. And then for you to understand what I did here, you have to go back to some of my video and then watch them for you to get have a little understanding about what I did here. So don't forget to like this video right now. See you in my next video.